Everyone, my name is Akjan. Today I want to introduce my university. Hello everyone, my name is Akjan. Today I want to introduce my university. The history of formation and development of Kazakh Ablay Khan University of International Religions and World Languages is closely related to the development of foreign languages teaching in the country. Established in the Soviet period in 1941, after gaining the status of university, it began a new page in its history. At the present time, there are 7 departments of bachelor's program: Department of Translation and Philology, Pedagogical Department, Department of Management and International Communication, Department of International Relations, Department of Economy and Law, Department of Oriental Studies, Department of Additional Education. Our faculty combines the old and the new, traditions and innovations, science and bright students' life. Doğan Dinara, Dean of the Faculty. Orientalist, translator, and philologist specialties meet training at our faculty gives students the opportunity to gain comprehensive knowledge and find themselves in the field of Arabic, Iranian, Turkology, Sinology, Chinese, Korean studies, and Japanese studies, that is, in priority and significant vectors of Kazakhstan foreign policy. Thank you for attention.